it? Max, why are you biting? Hey! 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 Hey, stop fighting. Stop fighting. Okay. Okay, stop fighting. Stop. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Okay, okay, enough. Enough, enough. No, finish it, finish it. Enough. Okay, that's good. That's a good puppy. No. No. Oh. Ah! Hey, me too. Me too. Oh, hey, puppy. Ah! Okay. I think your puppies are chill now. Okay, you're chill. You're also chill. You gotta give me kisses. That's a good puppy. Hey, don't bite me. Hey, what your puppies? Hey, don't bite me. I'm your owner. You can't just bite me like that.
See puppies.
Hunter, you're playing Minecraft. Stop talking. Hunter, get out. Oh my. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to stop them. Okay, that's enough. I think we had enough. Don't you think? I think you puppies have to be separated. There, you puppies are separated. Max really wants to fight. Okay, you can fight. Okay. If I just put Max. Oh, you okay? If I put Max, then to go. Oh. Good. Okay, I think that's good. That's not a good sign. Okay, that's barely. Okay, not a good sign. Okay, he's dragging the bed. Right, Mom?
Kiss me. Hey, don't kiss me. Kiss me. Don't kiss me, Dizzy.
I think they're chill. Okay, they can be in their bed. On the bed. Normal spot. And the bigger spot. I think they're chill. Okay. Hey. When I say I think you're chill, you didn't just start fighting. Okay, that's enough.